The first session of the 18th Lok Sabha is all set to begin from today with the oath taking by the newly elected members, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the first session of the parliament after the recently conducted Lok Sabha elections, where in the BJP secured 240 seats and the NDA owned 293 seats. Meanwhile, President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath to Bhartrihari Mahtab as pro-term speaker. Following the ceremony, Mahtab will convene the Lok Sabha session. On June 27, President Murmu will address a joint sitting of both houses of parliament. The discussion on the motion of thanks to the president's address will commence on June 28, with Prime Minister Modi expected to address the debate around July 2nd or 3rd. Both houses are set to adjourn briefly and will reconvene on July 22nd for the presentation of the union budget.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।